Alright guys, welcome back. Welcome to the FinTech Jack YouTube channel. You've seen in the past videos how we got our hardware, mining hardware, how we have we got our motherboard set up and everything else. Now I have all the pieces more or less here. And we will start to put together our mining rig. So let's get cracking. Let's first of all put the motherboard inside of the rig. We'll have it set up in here like so. Let me get those. Right, put some screws in. Okay. Second of all, I'm going to mount the SSD. I'm going to turn it on the side now to get the SSD mounted before I do anything else. Try a different screw. Alright, let's get our power supply in. I've already put in the cables that I need to make life a little bit easier. This goes in here. Okay, let's do this. let's put in some cables now. What do we have here? Okay, 24 pin to the motherboard. This goes in here. Okay, we'll manage that later. All right. Let's get that to the CPU. Then the SSD drive. Let's put the SATA cable in. Let's actually put this on the motherboard. SATA on the motherboard. And this. Then power to the SSD. Trying to line things up so I don't mess it up. All right, SSD is in. All right, let's see here. Power cable, power button. Just have to put that in. See, like this. All right. Now we are going to use a riser to raise the GPU off, like so. It comes with one of these adapters, SATA to 6-pin, but never use it. This is just a bad cable, just throw it away. All right. First of all, let's try to plug it in and see if it turns on. Put in the power cable, and then I have a watt meter over here. It says 0 watts right now. We'll plug it in and turn the rig on, and I am curious to see if it turns on and how much power it draws right now. Okay, power is on. Let's see. So it already draws 1.4 watts without being turned on, so that's the power supply. Let's see, moment of truth. Push the button. All right. So we have 35 watts, 35.6, 33.9, so around 33 watts, 34. Let's just wait to see if the system will boot up. I have a miner, Monero miner on the GPU, on the CPU. Let's see if that boots up and how much power it draws when going. guess it's mining right now. So let me check in the computer real fast. We'll leave this here for now. And see, 66 watts. Yeah, it's mining 2.2 kilo hashes. I'm gonna turn the rig off now to install the GPU. Alright, so the rig is off. I'm going to turn off the power button and let's install the GPU. Alright, so we have the riser. We are going to put the card on the riser. Make sure it's the correct way around. Then it has this block here, needs to be clicked in. I'm going to mount the card somewhere around here for now. Right, so it's good. We'll put the small riser, the X1 PCIe riser, in one of the slots down on the motherboard. I'll use the first slot over here. And then connect the USB to the riser. Okay, and now for the power to the riser and the GPU. I have a strand here from the power supply. I'm going to use it to power both the riser and the, if it reaches, of course, but we'll see now. If it doesn't, I'll have to use one of those splitters to get more cable length, but we'll see. I guess I can do it. All right, double check, triple check all the connections, because this is how you get your cards and risers burnt if the power cables are not all the way in. Okay, we'll manage that in a minute. So the card is in, as you can see. Here I've powered the riser from this side. It's the shortest length. I can only reach this power connector here. The top, everything else is plugged in. The motherboard, everything seems to be connected. All right, and now again the moment of truth. Let's put this here and we'll power it on and see if everything's working. Okay, power on and power. Let's see here, it's good. We have LEDs on, both blue and red. So it looks good. Don't worry about this. This power supply is 1000 watts, so it's overkill for what's on the rig right now. It doesn't need to have the fan spinning at all. It doesn't heat up, so if 57 watts, 54 watts with the rig on, and then it should go into Hive and start mining, and we'll see how much it draws when it's at full power. There he goes. I know the card with the overclocks that I have right now is taking about 76 watts of electricity, so that would mean that the rest of the rig is taking, was it 140, 141? It's taking about 63, 64 watts, out of which about 30 watts is the 33 watts is the CPU mining Monero. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good one.